This is my 1949 Studebaker 2R10 pickup that I bought for parts to put on my 1949 2R5 Studebaker half-ton project truck. It's got a couple of hoses that run into the system here. I've already got the radiator off and the water's been drained, and so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and remove those hoses. Loosen up the clamps here, which I've already done. Thankfully they weren't hard to come off. Remove both those hoses off of there now. And then on the cover for the heater core, there are 8 screws, 2 on the top, 2 on the sides, bottom, and on this side here that need to come out. I've already taken them all out except for this last one here. I'm going to take it out. Flat tip screwdriver, just a little screw in there, and then this cover will slip right off. That's what it looks like on the inside. I'll just put that down here on the side. And here you can see the heater core itself. It's got 2 sprockets in here that holds the heater core inside of there, and that's going to require removing some screws for those. The brackets each have 2 screws. For this one on this side right here, the bottom screw was actually one of the screws that was in the cover. Remove that screw, remove that bracket. You can see it's just a simple little L bracket. I'll set that puppy up there. Take the other screw out over here. There was actually 2 other screws over here. I've gotten took the bottom one out. Now I'm going to work on this top one here. Get the top screw out. Yeah, and there's that mounting bracket on this side. It's an L-shaped bracket for this one. And with that, we should be able to remove the heater core itself. Slide right on out. That's the heater core for that's in this 2R10 truck. Inside of there, you can see the blower motor for the system. Hope this video helps you. Bye.